Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, we all are eagerly waiting for IBPS P1 notification. So finally 2021 IBPS P1 notification got out. See friends, total vacancies for 4135 are there. We going to see in detail regarding IBPS PO notification. See friends, total number of participating banks are given here. SC category, ST category, OBC category, EWS, unreserved and total for HI, OC, VI, ID. Okay, available posts are like this. Bank of Baroda. See friends, Bank of Baroda they were reported nothing, zero only they were given. And see friends, Indian Bank also they given nothing, and Punjab National Bank also they given nothing. In 2020 case also Punjab National Bank they were not reported anything, but finally they were reported after claims friends. So this year also may going to happen same thing. And see friends, in SC case it is 679 total posts are available. In ST case 350 posts were there, and OBC case it is 1102 available, and EWS 404, and unreserved category is 1600. Total it is 4135. For HI category it is 58, OC category it is 37, for VI category it is 48, and ID category it is 67. See friends, cutoff age minimum is 20 years and maximum is 30 years. A candidate must have been born not earlier than 2/10/1991. So a candidate should not born earlier than this date and should not after this date. See friends, 1/10/2001 should not after this date, and not before this date. So in between and given here both dates inclusive. So same date also you will be eligible. Okay, before to this day, after to this day, so you are not eligible. That is the meaning of this one. See friends, relaxation of upper age limit for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe it is 5 years, and OBC non-creamy layer that is 3 years, and like person with disability it is 10 years, and who are ex-servicemen for them it is 5 years. See friends, participating banks: Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindhu, UCO Bank and Union Bank of India. See friends, anyone not seen my video like bank preferences, you can watch. I told very clearly there. So which one bank you have to give first preference, which one you have to give last preference. See friends, tentative dates for online applications. Online application starts from tomorrow onwards and ends on 11th November 10th. And payment for online application with intimation charges same dates only. See friends, download for call letter pre-examination training it is in November, and for a pre-examination training November December they have given, and download of call letter for online examination preliminary also November December only. So online examination preliminary it will in between 4/12 and 11/12/2021. So exam in December. See, preliminary exam in December 4 and 11th. See friends, result of online preliminary examination that is in December last week or in January first week they are going to like give. And see friends, online examination prelims online examination marks they are going to declare in December or January, and mains examination will happen in January itself. And see friends, declaration of mains result it is in January or February, and download call letter for interview it is February, and interview also conducted in February or March. So your joining and provisional allotment it will be on April. So BOB, PNB, Bank of India they are going to increase the vacancies. So they have not given anything, they will give minimum 2 to 3,000 vacancies, minimum 2 to 3,000 vacancies. So already 4,000 were there, so at least 3,000 we add, 7,000 vacancies will be there. See friends, they will add within within 1 month. So we can I will update you that time.